Hey everybody, Gunnison on the cover. Today is June 6, 2019, and we have a story here that was submitted by my friend Audrey Capps. If you don't know who Audrey Capps is, she's the little woman that down in Millville where the officer flipped her over and broke her ribs and doesn't seem to be held accountable for anything he did. He likes to beat up little women. But he's okay with that, and the chief's okay with that. But anyway, that's not what the story's about. It's a Blue Zero Hero story. This is reported at NJ.com. It's updated June 3rd, 2019, and it says, Judge rejects motion to dismiss 24 charges against movie-making cop charged with brutally beating suspects. Come on now, cops don't beat people up. That has to be a mistake. They protect and serve us. That's right. They're all well-trained professionals out there risking their lives. I can't believe such a story that Audrey Capps would send me something like this. I just find it so difficult to believe that an officer brutally beating suspects. Well, here's the story. Here's his ugly face right there. Let's find out what this fine, upstanding professional officer of the law was doing. A Superior Court judge has denied a defense attorney's bid to toss a 24-count indictment against a Millville cop. Wow, how about that? Now, Audrey Capps got flipped over and got her ribs broken by a Millville cop. Did a story on that one. Scroll back in the list, you'll see it. And here we go, we got another Millville cop, another shining star. Jeffrey E. Profitt, P-R-O-F-I-T-T, is accused of slamming a suspect face first onto a concrete floor and trying to jam a gun into another man's mouth before pistol whipping him. According to the allegations contained in the sweeping indictment, which describes 10 victims from separate incidents. In all, Profitt, 39, allegedly used excessive force in 5 violent arrests. His charges include aggravated assault, endangering another person, terroristic threats, and he is charged with 10 counts of filing false and incomplete reports about arrests he made between 2013 and 2016. That is unbelievable. Cops lie on reports? I'm telling you, this shatters my view. Profitt's attorney, Michael Testa, sought dismissal of the indictment on the grounds that allegations are based mainly on hearsay, that many of the charges are non-specific, and that the indictment is fatally duplicitous. Yes. Can't say that word. I gotta start making a list of words that I can't say right. Duplicitous. D-U-P-L-I-C-I-T-I-O-U-S. Meaning that many of the counts encompass more than one offense. If dismissal was not granted, Testa sought to have the individual charges involving the different victims several from each other. Judge Robert Malstein considered the motion and issued his ruling on Monday afternoon, denying both the motion to dismiss, and the motion to sever the charges. He set the next hearing date in the case for July 22nd. Looks like they got some video of this guy too. We'll have to see if we can get it. Maybe we can attach it to the thing. Profitt was originally indicted in 2017 on charges related to a 2016 arrest in which he allegedly threw a 60-year-old man identified in court documents as AW to the floor in the police station Sallyport, causing serious facial injuries. That original 8-count indictment included a charge alleging a pattern of official misconduct involving violent incidents between 2014 and 2016, but Profitt sought to have that court separated from the other 7, which dealt specifically with the incident involving AW. This is quite a story here. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can read it, but basically what it comes down to, this cop has a problem. He's a sociopath, and he has a problem if this is all true, which I have no doubt that it is true. I mean, I just look at that guy and I get the bully vibes. I'm an expert on bullies. And I get the bully vibe from this guy. This guy's a creep. And know what I've heard about Millville police? That this is a police force that has thugs on it, and the chief encourages all that. He covers for them. When they asked about that other cop there that broke Audrey Cap's ribs, he basically just said, "Oh, he's a good cop." Well, there's nothing good about it. That cop holds the highest records of use of force in the state of New Jersey. All right, more cops hurting citizens, and guess what? You know, he's going to get convicted, or even if he doesn't get convicted, guess who's going to pay? The taxpayers in Millville and whatever other towns got their money in a pool. And there'll be no stake in it for this dirtbag Blue Zero hero. All right, I'll put, as I said, I'll put the story in the link in the description. You can read the full story. Let me know what you think about this Blue Zero hero thug that gets his nut off beating people up and hurting people. You wonder what goes through their mind. You wonder what's wrong with them. How do they get past the psychological evaluations? Yeah. But, you know, we're all told there's just a few bad apples out there. I guess this is one of the few bad apples that I keep reporting on every week. Till next time, people.